Are you ready to start investing but don't know where to begin? In today's video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to start investing from scratch, even if you're a complete beginner. Before we jump in, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss valuable insights and educational content on personal finance and investing. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Understand why you're investing. Investing is about growing your wealth over time, but it's important to understand why you're doing it. Are you saving for retirement, a big purchase, or simply looking to grow your savings? Setting clear goals helps you create a strategy and stay motivated throughout the process. Step 2. Educate yourself. Investing can seem complicated, but it's crucial to educate yourself before jumping in. Start by understanding the basics of stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and real estate. There are countless resources online, books, blogs, podcasts, and even free courses that can help you build a solid foundation. Step 3. Create a budget. Before you invest, make sure you have a clear budget. You need to know how much money you can afford to invest without affecting your daily needs. Financial experts often recommend investing only what you're willing to leave in the market for a long time, as investing carries risks. Step 4. Open an investment account. To invest, you need a brokerage account. There are many platforms to choose from, such as Robinhood, E*Trade, or Fidelity. These platforms allow you to buy and sell stocks, bonds, ETFs, and other securities. Look for one with low fees and an easy-to-use interface. Many apps also offer educational tools to guide you along the way. Step 5. Start small. You don't need a fortune to start investing. In fact, starting small is one of the best ways to begin. You can start with small amounts in index funds or ETFs, which offer diversified exposure to the market. Dollar-cost averaging is another strategy that involves investing a fixed amount regularly, no matter the market's ups and downs. This helps you avoid trying to time the market. Step 6. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key to managing risk. Instead of investing in just one stock, spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and so on. This reduces the impact of any single investment underperforming. You can use ETFs or mutual funds to achieve this with a single investment. Step 7. Stay consistent. Investing is a long-term game. Don't get discouraged by short-term market fluctuations. The key is consistency. Keep investing regularly, reinvest your dividends, and stay focused on your long-term goals. Over time, compound interest will work in your favor and your wealth will grow. Starting with small, regular investments is the best way to build wealth over time. The more you learn and stay consistent, the better your chances of achieving financial success. Now you know the essential steps to start investing. It's time to take action. If you're ready to start building your portfolio, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Ismailov for more insightful videos that will help you become a true pro in the world of IT, investing, and personal finance.